Hello ma'am, good morning po. And this is my dashboard with page using HTML and CSS po ma'am. And ngayon is gumamit pa ako ulit ng Sublime. And nandito po yung mga code. And ngayon, ipapakita ko po sa inyo is yung code po ng bawat page. First po is yung home po. Home HTML. Ayan. Yan po ma'am. And then next po is about. And next po is yung contact. Ito naman po yung sample output. And of course yung settings po. And then next is move daw tayo sa sum. Sa localhost. Localhost PHP. Ayan. So, andito naman po yung login form natin. And then, gagawa po tayo ng account. Full name. Gagawa na po tayo ng bago ma'am. Username is password. And then, yung email ad po natin is contact number. Then, pinutin po natin yung register. Ayan. Registration successful po. Okay. Magla-login na po tayo. Show password. And then login. Successfully login. And then, andito na po yung profile page. And then, ito naman po yung home page. And then, yung about. Yung contact. Sample output. And then, settings po. Meron din po pala akong ginamit na background dito. Which is ito po. Yung theme niya po kasi is Barbie. So, ayan po yung ginamit ko. And dito po siya. Ayan. And then, pag gusto nyo naman na pong mag-log out, just click here po. And then, meron pong message box na lalabas, are you sure you want to log out? And then, yes. Ayan po ma'am. Thank you po.